get you guys off the time lapse because this is pretty satisfying. So I wanted to show you. Safeties on. Got my safeties on. I ain't trying to die. Yeah, that's right. Clean that up real good, you know. Got a little burnout mark on it or something, I'll tell you what. All right, you get the drift. Let's get back to this. Back on the rusty old Chevrolet, I tell you.
Rusty Chevrolet.
We're gonna tackle the interior in this thing now. I'll let you guys see all the goodness.
We work on cars.
Yeah, we work on cars and we clean.
What's your name?
There's a bullet down there.
It's a bullet? It's a bullet in the car.
There's a bullet. Hey, there's a bullet. It's down there. Ooh, look at this.
It's crazy.
It's not. Just trying to zoom. Oh, yeah. It's bad.
I put it back, didn't I? It's in the electric drawer.
That's good.
Did you have it today? Oh, well, you're just dumb.
Yeah, she's dirty. Oh, look at that. That's a unit right there, dude. Black & Decker auto tape. Oh, I'll tell you what, does it work?
When's the last time this thing was?
Well, I might take that, you know. Oh, yeah,
It's got 23.
this guy was a smoker, bud.
He smoked a lot.
He smoked a lot of cigarettes.
It's got a 23 sticker on it.
Is that a garage clicker? No, it ain't.
Yeah, dude.
No, it ain't.
Nostalgia.
That goes up here, shoot. Custom, like I said. That's custom. Glasses. Oh, what?
Sorry, I had to take over. What you got going on, Joe?
Dude, I found this thing out here.
Did you?
Yeah.
Bro, you look like a serial killer, bro.
I feel like, what's that Dahmer,
Jeffrey Dahmer.
Yeah, that's what I can't
you
see
look,
you at all.
You look like Jeffrey Dahmer, bro.
Hey, Russ. What's up?
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Dude, that's quality merchandise. Is that a Casio?
What? Dude,
What'd you
I'm
get?
excited. You see this air pump with your foot?
Oh my gosh. It's deteriorated.
Dude. Look at this.
Look at you, bro.
Oh, whoa! It's falling apart. I cannot see what I'm grabbing. It's a nail.
Bro,
Oh, it broke. Hold on. Holy hell.
we can't wear them no more, bro?
No, look where, look. Ah. So it's, what is it? I can see up close, but I can't see over there.
Nearsighted or farsighted, it's opposite day.
Yeah, what he said.
And put that junk up.
Oh, that's what the nail was for. Look, I thought I just found the nail on the ground. It's makeshift, brother.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh my God, dude.
Hey, that's how they had to do it.
It looks like you gotta go to
You
the.
want your guitar aired up, brother?
You need your basketball aired up, little kid.
You got big old 35. I got you. Don't worry.
Give me,
Oh, we don't need no compressor now.
give me about an hour.
Close, you know? Shoot.
What else you got in here today, Joe?
I gotta take these off. I can't do it.
Well,
Here, you put them on.
here I'll wear them.
Yeah, you put them on.
Oh man, that's violent, dude.
Yeah, it hurts.
It does.
It hurts. You look under the seat.
I don't like this, dude.
I'll go the other
I
side.
feel sick almost.
No, it don't smell.
No, they're not gross, but like it's making me feel some kind of way. What's up, Russ?
Dang.
That's Wes.
Hey, give Russ the towel. He can take that home.
Oh, Russ. When she needs a towel when she gets out, this is the one you give her.
I will.
Okay.
Thanks.
Who's that? Yeah. Keep going.
Look at these ancient phone chargers, bro. Is that for a Nokia? Like,
You know we all have that little
man, this
that
is
little ball of wire somewhere that we all keep here. Let me get them.
always check your glucose. Keep that handy. You know what I mean?
Oh my God. That must be his cocaine in there. He's not fooling nobody. That ain't no glucose.
Look at that vintage screwdriver.
There's a mask.
Let's look, Rub-a-Dub
Here.
laundry marking pen. That's a plug. We get paid for that.
Bro, that
ad.
says Rub-a-Dub. How'd you know that? We got to throw the trash out.
Well, I'm having fun. What we got here?
Look, some pens.
Oh, look at this.
Dude,
look at
duct
this.
tape
Look at
from
this. Look at this.
1928.
No, that's when it was made. Look at this.
Gotcha.
Bro, look. 1998, 99 local township school schedule, bro.
Dude.
Trash. Pretty cool, though.
Man, this was probably the maintenance guy's truck or something.
Man, I am feeling really bad, like with these. Look at this.
Huh.
Can't show his name. Oh, wow. Look at that, dude. Look at that.
Dude got the manuals.
Original. Get that shit off. That's hurting my
I
head.
told you it hurts.
This is all original.
Can't show his name.
No, I shouldn't.
There's a lot of stuff. What's under the seat?
Got it. Look.
Yeah. There's monsters under there.
Look
Oh, what's that? What's that? Oh, I don't know, because I'm ripping it. It's probably good, but you know. I shouldn't be touching my hand under there. You know, you just got to go real hard with it.
Well,
Dude, it's a canuter valve.
I ain't seen one of those since the turn of the century, dude.
Oh, dude got us. Ooh. He was obviously putting a sink and a shower and some flooring, you know?
Did you see those mud flaps, bro?
Dude, don't you worry about the flaps.
Oh,
I
my God.
already got them on film, I'll tell you what. America, if that don't say America, I swear. Oh, what's that? Some screws? I mean, who doesn't need some screws, you know? Show you what a quick vacuum does.
Getting her done?
Yeah, bud. You got your safeties on?
Yeah, you can't be too cautious, man, you know.
I'll tell you what.
Sucker's been sitting for a little bit, so you know you gotta, it's insect time, boy, so always watch your eyes.
Glove up,
It's
you know what I'm
it's
saying?
looking
All of a
good.
sudden, you know, it ain't looking bad.
You know,
I'll
we'll
tell
get
you
in here
what.
with the brushes
And do the thing?
and do the whiz.
Yeah, that's
you know?
right. You know,
It's out here goofing, you know, we'll get her cleaned up. And
we won't worry about the
Good job,
small
Joe.
stuff. All right, we'll get back to it. Hey guys, we got this truck all cleaned up. Do a quick walk around, you know. What you see. Pretty good looking. Got the bed cleaned out. Got all that mold and mildewy stuff off. Can't even tell no more. Cleaned up pretty good. Good looking old Chevy truck, you know. I'll tell you what, it's gonna be for sale too, you know. Here, let's go to the inside and see. Oh, hello.
how you doing?
Ha!
Just admiring this old Chevy.
Dang dough.
You know,
Look.
she cleaned up pretty good, bud.
Let's you know, show everybody.
It was gross.
It was gross.
It's better. Oh, 135,000 miles. 134,950.
Dude, she cleaned up.
Got the mouse key.
I want to get in here with
Come on in here with me.
She'll hold that, dude. I tell you what, goodness. Oh, Chevy, show them all that good stuff, because it was bad, you know?
Oh, it's cigarettes.
Oh, yeah, show them that. Oh.
Never been smoked in.
I can't even smell it, dude.
What are you doing, Jeff?
I can't even smell the smell
You
in
can't.
there.
You
No.
can't. I'll just tell you, you know.
Show them we couldn't do nothing with that. You know, it's fine. It's custom.
That's there.
We went ahead and left the garage opener because the next purchaser, you know, they might need to get their garage door opened.
That is not going to work for anybody. But
Well, you know, they can bleep, bloop, bloop. Get her programmed out, dude. Dude, the seat, though, it's
all
a
right.
looking seat.
I mean, I'm not as uncomfortable in here now.
Oh, got the sliding glass window that I'm not going to open.
You just don't mess with guys.
No, it may break. I'll let the
Don't
other
mess
guy
with guy,
break it,
you know.
what I'm saying?
But she cleaned up good.
Overall, cleaned up real good. Gonna make somebody a good trick, you know.
Can't do nothing with that.